I made this Stormbreaker a few months ago out of cardboard, and the handle is out of real tree. You don't believe me? Watch the build video here. In this video, I will add lightning effect with LED, not CGI. It's actually my friend request, so he showed me this video and it looks kinda cool on Stormbreaker. So let's go! This is flexible LED strips that I will use. You can easily find this LED online. And I will power the LED with 9 volts battery. I also got this LED controller to change the effect of the light. Connect the controller on the LED, then glue it. It's not recommended using hot glue, but it's how I'm doing it. Add the battery connector and just tape the wires. It works! Now we can add it on the Stormbreaker. Just make random curves so that the LED looks like lightning. Yeah. And we can hide the battery here. Now I add EL wire to make the lightning branching effect. You will also need a DC to AC converter to make the wire works. I made a tutorial on how EL wire works on Tina Eternal Shield video. You can watch that later. There's one thing I need to tell you. Although this converter powered by 2 AA battery, when the current change from DC to AC, you can feel the electric, like you can feel the current if both wire touch your finger. It's not that strong, but you can feel it. And you might be shocked if you are not prepared. Yeah, it's important for you to know. Connect the converter on the EL wire. If you need help on this part, just ask for help. Then tape it. And place the converter here. No one will notice that. And just put the wire around the LED. Okay, it's looking good. This lighting effect is pretty cool. You can use this to make your props or costume alive. What do you think about this project? Let me know your opinion in the comments.